Hello teacher. Use the advanced search feature on Google Scholar to conduct targeted searches and find relevant academic articles and papers. Step 1. Go to the Google Scholar website. Step 2. In the search bar, enter keywords related to the research paper you are looking for. Step 3. Use quotation marks around multi-word phrases to search for that specific phrase. Step 4. Use the advanced search option to refine your search by author, publication, and date. Step 5. Read the abstracts and check the citation counts to determine the relevance and credibility of the paper. Step 6. Now teachers can find reliable academic content with ease. Google Scholar is by far the most frequently used academic search engine. This feature allows users to narrow down their search results by author, publication, date, and keywords, among other parameters. By using advanced search, teachers can find more specific and relevant information for their research and teaching purposes. For more such tech tips from InnerScore that can help teachers like yourself learn new skills, save time, and navigate the digital world, subscribe to our YouTube channel.